Compared to the previous generation, a battery swap is still fairly simple, but there's a small change, and this video will cover what you'll need as well as what to expect after installation. Before working on anything else, disconnect the negative terminal first, unless you want it to be memorable. There's more info in this video link on the screen. You don't need to remove the nut completely, just enough to extend the clamp. Then the positive has a nut on the side here under the cover. The battery is secured with a bracket down here at the base. The bolt is easy, but the bracket will test your patience. Then slide the battery forward before lifting out. I'll get to the difference in a minute, but for now clean the terminals with some fine sandpaper or this handy little tool that cleans both the terminals and the battery posts. I'll leave a link in the description. When installing the battery, ensure that the terminals are in the correct orientation and secure the bracket first. If you find these videos helpful, I hope we've earned your subscription by now, but even a like or a super thanks will be appreciated. Now the order for reconnection matters, positive first and then the negative. You can also extend the clamp with a screwdriver to seat the terminal as low as possible on the battery post for a solid connection. Now the main difference here is that the old battery was secured with a bracket over the battery, and the new one needs this base mounted lip. So for those that are interested, it should be in the 60 amp hour range with roughly 500 cranking amps. But to make it easier, I've included links in the description for compatible batteries online. There's also no battery monitoring system or BMS reset required, since it doesn't have a sensor on the negative terminal. On startup, you shouldn't see any warning lights, apart from the usual ones, and a radio code isn't necessary. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.